This is a Drive Medical Trident power chair. This is a really nice power chair. It looks a little different, so if you're looking for a power chair that looks different than everybody else out there, this would be one. It does the same thing that all the other power chairs, just built a little funky. I kind of like it. We had one before and we only had it for a week. We have another one here we got in, and the reason I got it in is because I like the looks of this chair. It has some features that most the other chairs don't have, which is great. The footplate is extra large, so if you have tendency to not complain about not having a large footplate, it has a super large footplate. But let's talk about the side of the chair first of all. We've got 14-inch wheels here, and this chair was used for about 3 to 4 months. It's still in new condition. 3 or 4 months. You've got 14-inch wheels with alloyed rims. You've got a motor for each wheel on each chair. Also, you can see the suspension right here on the motor, okay? You can see the suspension in the front also. So the motor, so the front caster wheels are on suspension, and the motors are on suspension right here too also. So you got suspension front, so you got 2 for each side. This is considered, I'm not sure if it's quite a mid-wheel drive, but it will have a good turning radius. This would be the turning radius. This is going to be more of a front-wheel drive power chair. Now the benefit of this chair is, if you go outside, the chair weighs 200 pounds, you weigh 200 pounds, let's just say, that's 400 pounds. All the weight is going to be transferred from the power chair to the bottom of this wheel right here, because there's nothing here in front holding the wheel from, so if you're going to grass, you will have better traction because all your weight is all the way down on the drive wheels, which is what you need if you're going to be in the dirt. Now, dirt, I mean, soft dirt, and grass, sidewalk. So it's really a sharp looking power chair. The joystick has a protecting metal cover around it, which is nice. The arms do flip up. And we just disconnected the joystick. Okay, let me reconnect that. If I had my glasses, I could see better. There we go. Put the power back on. When I raised the arm, I disconnected the joystick. So this cable will have to be loosened up. There we go. So the arms do flip up. The seat has a safety belt that's probably never been used. The seat is 20 wide by 19 deep. 20 wide by 19 deep. It has 5 little marks on here from a cat. That's the biggest problem we have with these wheelchairs. It's not how people drive their chairs, it's their cats. But these are not, they're just superficial. So it's not going to affect the seat, but there's 4, 5, 6 of them right here. Does not affect the seat at all. Very nice cushiony seat. Here's your extra large footplate. This footplate is 15 inches deep by 12 inches wide. And it does flip up for easy exit. It flips down, so it gives you a large footplate. If you like to have a large footplate, this chair is the only one that I know that has a footplate that large, unless you go with the extra large power chair. This power chair here has a rating of 300-pound weight capability. It also comes with a charger, so when you charge the batteries in this chair, you would just take your battery charger, plug it in the bottom of your wheelchair joystick right here, and as soon as the light turns green on your charger, you're fully charged. It does have a horn. It actually has a good horn. A lot of these chairs, you cannot hear the horn. So this one here, if you like horns, it does have a good horn. Now this chair, if you need to put this chair in neutral where you want to push it around for some reason, make sure the power is off. And right here in the front of the chair, you got 2 levers. If you turn those levers towards the inside, you can see this wheel's already unlocked. Turn the lever towards the inside, and now, this is a very easy chair to push around. So, and you can see also the seat is adjustable in height. You can see the levers here. There's 2 more holes, so if this seat needs to be dropped down some more, this seat can be dropped down. In the front also, you've got your levers to adjust the height of the seat. So if you need the seat lower, right now it's probably at 22 inches, and it probably can drop down to 20. So if I put it back in gear, you'll hear it clicking in gear. And now we're back in gear. Turn the power back on, and we're back in gear. Very smooth power chair, great turning radius. This is an adjustable seat. What that means is it's a captain adjustable seat. Right here's a lever, and the seat can be folded back down or all the way back to here, depending where you want it. And you have an adjustable headrest right here. You can adjust the headrest any position you want. So this is a pretty simple power chair. So if you're looking for something basic with solid tires, there's no air in these tires. Very dependable, because there's not a whole lot to this chair that can go wrong. And as I said, the joystick can go to the left also if we need to transfer it. So if you're looking for a basic power chair and you want to look different than anybody else out there, and this one's very easy to get around, very easy to work on, this would be a really nice one. And as I said, it takes 2 batteries with this chair, and they're 35 amp batteries, so that'll give you about 15 miles on the battery charge. There's 2 35 amp batteries, and they're in the boxes back here. There's a box back here, and if you pull the pin right here, if you pull the pin, then you can pull the batteries out. There's 2 battery case, one here, one there, back to back. So if you had to change the batteries, you would take these battery case out and replace the batteries. Push it back in, and the batteries are locked back into. So if you're traveling and you want to take the battery casing out and you want to lift a seat off, you could take this chair in 3 pieces. It's really not a portable wheelchair, but if you have help, the seat probably weighs 35 pounds. The 2 battery boxes are probably going to be 25 pounds each. So if you take the batteries out, you take the seat off, the only thing you have left is the frame with the wheel and the 2 motors, and that's going to be probably 50, 60 pounds. So it does come apart, but I wouldn't say it's a portable chair, but it does come apart. So if you're looking for a nice power chair, look at this one and you'll see how nice it rides outside also. This chair drives really good. It responds exactly. If you want to go right, you want to go left, the joystick is perfect. It just has a nice, and it's very smooth. It goes about 5.5 miles an hour. It's got kind of speedy. I would say the speed limit is between 5.5. Went through the grass with no problem. Great chair, very basic, but very dependable. This is Marc with Marc's Mobility. We are a family-owned business for over 20 years. Thank you for watching this presentation. We have several other models available. If you have any questions, please call the number below, 800-677-6293. Thank you again for watching.